G'day, it's Alex and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some new releases, at least in Casper form.
That's it.
They're not here in the physical, they are in spirit and on the website.
Yeah, we'll have them for pre-order. We don't actually have them here with us, so we'll just be taking a look at the designs today. And yeah, we've got 3 different ones to look at. Perth have done a release of 3 different designs in the one day.
And we'll start with my personal favourite of the 3, being the 2024 Superpit.
Ah, the Superpit.
Right here somewhere.
Yeah, that's it. So yeah, it's a very interesting one because there's not really too much you can do, in my personal opinion. I think you'd struggle as a designer designing a hole in the ground for multiple years in a row, but they've done a few different takes on it now, and I quite like it. It's a design that I think focuses a lot on texture and different layers and things like that to really get its point across.
I much prefer this to last year's design, which I thought was a bit, I don't know, it was hard to tell what it was. I love this design. I love seeing the haul trucks on it. Reminds me of the 2022, which is not in the same design, but a similar fashion, which I absolutely loved, especially in the 5 ounce, gold. And you don't get many 5 ounce gold coins coming through. And yeah, I just think they really improved over last year's design. So I'm really looking forward to seeing it both in the silver and in the gold.
Yeah, so it comes in the 1 ounce gold, the 1 ounce silver, and a 5 ounce gold. Very limited numbers on the 5 ounce there, and it's got some interesting flow there on the roads on the way through. The only thing I'm not sure about this design is the kind of looks like they've got some continents or something in the sky above it. I'm not really sure about that, but yeah. Besides that, I think it's a good Superpit design for this year.
Absolutely, I think it's a winner. And then we have the Nugget.
The Nugget, another one in a continued series from Perth Mint. A Nugget found in Ballarat, weighing 69 kilos.
Also with the Nugget, in the 1 ounce Nugget 2024, I believe it's only in the gold.
Yeah, they've dropped it off. They were previously doing this series in silver, so we saw with the Pride of Australia Nugget last year only in the gold, so it's interesting now that we seem to be moving forward with this series in gold only, which I think makes sense. It was always confusing to have a gold Nugget in silver, but it was still pretty cool. On to the next one.
Next one is, we have the 2024 Wombat. And I really like this design.
Yeah, they've got the 2 Wombats there. We actually have a physical version of this coin thanks to our sister company, Little Coin Shop. They've received their coloured version of this coin, so we can actually take a bit of a closer look at that one. And yeah, I quite like it. Also, if you wanted to check that one out, littlecoinshop.com.au, I'll put a link in the description as well. But yeah, I quite like this design. They've got some birds floating in the background, flying in the background, which kind of remind me of how I would draw birds with the old M style in the background there.
That's the only way I can draw birds.
Yeah. But no, I think they've done a good job capturing the wombats there on this design.
Yeah, good scenery and doesn't look too busy, and very keen to see what the silver looks like in hand. Always been a fan of the Wombat series, so yeah, looking forward to that one.
Very exciting. Thank you very much, Alex, for letting me drag you in front of camera for this unboxing without the actual product. But yeah, good to take a look at what's releasing, and yeah, look forward to getting these coins in person.
Absolutely. Thank you, and see you next time.